Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math. We're going to be solving this equation right here. Okay, so this is 3 power x is equal to x power 9. Okay, so we want to find out the value of x that will satisfy this equation right here. Okay, so this is just cool, and then you want to follow through and see how we are able to solve that. Okay, so our job is just to find a way to remove this x at the power right here, and then we simplify both sides of the equation and see how we can have a similar pattern. And then once we're able to achieve that, we can then go ahead to compare the two sides of the equation. That will help us to actually know the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Okay, so let's proceed. So I am actually going to divide through by the powers right here. So I will have that this is 3 power x, and then divided by x. Okay, and I'll also divide with this 9 right there, so I'll multiply it by 9 too, is equal to x power 9 divided by x. I'll just do the same thing I did right here and then multiply by 9. Okay, so at this point you can see that this 9 is actually going to cancel this 9, and then on this side you can see that this can also be written as x divided by 1, so that we'll have that this is 3 power x, and then I'll actually split this, so I can write this as x power x multiplied by 1 over 9 is equal to, and on this side I already have x power 1 over x left right here. Okay, so at this point what I'm having here is 3 power x divided by x is actually equal to 1, and then of course multiply by 1 over 9 is equal to x power 1 over x. Okay, so our job is just to keep looking for a way to simplify this left hand side so that we can also have it in form of the right hand side, and then once we're able to achieve that, we can then compare the two sides of the equation. Okay, and then that will help us to find the unknown. Then I'm actually going to write this one right here as 3 over 3. Okay, and of course it's still same as 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 9. Okay, and this is equal to x power 1 over x. Okay, so next I will go ahead to factorize the numerator right here. So if I do that, I'm going to be having 3 power 3. Okay, and then if I factorize it, I'm going to be having 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 9. So this is what I'm going to be having next. Okay, and this will be equal to x power 1 over x. And then at this point we can proceed to simplify. So this is 3 power 3, okay, into 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 over 3 times 9 is 27 right here. Okay, and this is equal to x power 1 over x. Okay, so that I'm going to be having that 3 power 3 is equal to 27. Okay, and then power 1 over 27. Okay, and this is equal to x power 1 over x. So you can see clearly here that the two sides of the equation are now having the same pattern, so that obviously we can conclude that x is equal to 27. So we've gotten that the x that will satisfy the problem we are solving is equal to 27, and then you may actually want to find out whether this is true. Okay, so if we come back to the equation we started with, so what we'll solve is 3 power x is equal to x power 9. Okay, so I want to find out whether x equal to 27 will satisfy this problem. So whenever I see x, I'm going to replace it with 27. So I'm going to be having 3 power 27 right there, and we want to find out whether this will be equal to 27 power 9. Okay, so we can just start simplifying at this point. So let me just do that at the left hand side. So I can actually split this 27 here as 3 multiplied by 9. Okay, and then of course will that give us 27.9? And obviously you can see that I can actually split these as 3 power 3 and then multiply by 9. So, and of course we want to find out whether this will give us 27 power 9, and then 3 power 3 here is 27, okay, power 9. And obviously you can see that it is still the same with the left hand side. So this is basically how you solve this kind of problem. And don't forget, if you've gotten any value in the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.